Her brother Chinese?
Is her brother Chinese?
Is her brother Chinese? Brother. Brother.
Is her brother Chinese?
His brother is very tall. Brother. Her sister is from Vietnam. Her sister is from Vietnam. Her is. Not.
My wife is not American.
Two.
Girlfriend.
Beer. Boyfriend. Is she Chinese or American? Chinese. Cheese. Chinese. First. First. Fist. First.
My husband is American.
My husband is American.
Very. Very.
He is my new boyfriend.
He is my new boyfriend.
Is not.
Is your girlfriend Vietnamese?
Is girlfriend your American?
Ho Chi Minh City.
No, my boyfriend is not Chinese.
Is your girlfriend American?
Is your girlfriend American?
name?
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know your girlfriend's name? You don't know your girlfriend's name?
I don't have a girlfriend yet. Can you help me find one?
Beer.
Girlfriend. Boyfriend. 2. Is she Chinese or American? Chinese. Cheese. Chinese. First. 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 Fist. First. My boyfriend is a math teacher.
My boyfriend is a math teacher.
Very. Very.
No, my boyfriend is not Chinese. He is Vietnamese. He is from Ho Chi Minh City.
Find my girlfriend. B is at the airport. She talks to the man at the desk.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm going to Barcelona. I want to sit next to my girlfriend on the plane.
Okay, we have 2 seats together.
Great.
Where is your girlfriend?
I don't know. Can you help me find her?
What does she look like?
She is tall. She has dark hair.
Okay.
She loves sports and cooking. She loves animals, but she drives too fast.
Okay.
This is my phone.
Lisa, is this your phone?
Lisa, is it your phone?
This is my camera.
Is this your new phone? Is this your new phone?
Is it your new phone? Is it your new phone?
Is this your new phone?
Is it your new phone?
No, with. Sugar. Thanks. No, I am a math teacher.
No, I am a math teacher. No, I am a math teacher.
I am a taxi driver. I am a taxi driver.
This is my phone. Thanks. Your new camera.
Blue. Blue. Is this your camera? Is this your camera? Is this your camera?
Is it your camera?
Hello, I am a math teacher.
Hello, I am a math teacher.
Yes, I am a math teacher.
I, am a math teacher.
Excuse me, you are a taxi driver, right?
Vikram runs to the taxi.
Vic, no.
Preeti runs to Vikram.
Oh no, the taxi is not here now. This is a big problem. This is a big problem.
Vikram, your passport is not in the taxi. Your passport is in your hand.
Oh. Thank you, my love.
Can I help you?
No, water, thanks.
No, thanks, duo. Thanks, duo.
No, with. Sugar, thanks.
I am a teacher.
Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh City. Ho Chi Minh City.
The passport. Vikram and his wife Preeti are at the airport.
Oh no, where is my passport? Oh no, where is my passport? It is not here.
Vikram,
It is not in my bag. It is not in my bag. It is not in my bag. And it is not in my jacket. And it is not in my jacket.
but Vic.
No, I am not rich. Not part. Not.
No, my husband is not rich. No, my husband is not rich. No, my husband is not rich. No, my husband is not rich.
We like your white cat.
We like your white cats.
We like your white cat.
We like your white cats.
For one or for two? One or two.
Excuse me, you are Lisa, right?
Excuse me, you are Lisa, right?
No. I am a bus.
Yes, they like our white cat. Yes, they like our white cat.
Doctor.
Cat.
Small.
Coat.
Teacher.
Our friend is not rich.
Excuse me, you are a taxi driver, right?